Hi, kiddo. Put your hands up. We're going to have some beats. Hold on. 1. Okay. Go ahead. You try it. How was that? What do you think? You like that, huh? You're pretty easy going, you know. Good job. Okay, let's say bye. Say bye. Don't just smile at me. Okay, or not. Bye, Olivia.